guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christine Mweti. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, before we start today's video, I want to officially tell you guys that I am going to be uploading every Tuesday and every Friday in the morning, first thing at 8 a.m. so look out for that. Every Tuesday and every Friday, Tuesday and Friday 8 a.m. So in today's video, as you can see, it's a little different because we're in the kitchen and I'm about to whip up something yummy for you guys. So I am going to be, as I told you guys, I enjoy cooking. I love cooking. It's like a stress reliever to me to cook. It's just therapeutic for me. So I am going to be making something so yummy, something so easy to make, very few ingredients, very fast, and it's going to be drum rolls, butternut soup. So it's going to be butternut soup, guys, and welcome to this video. Let's whip it up. I'm going to be adding spices, but I'll be showing you guys as I do that. So now let's prepare this. So we are going to peel this first. If you don't know how to peel, you can ask somebody to do it for you, or where you buy, they can do it for you. But it's super easy. As long as your knife is sharp, then you're good to go. Now that's the first half is done. Of course, you have to take this little part out, and I'm gonna use a spoon to take this out. So now guys, I'm done with the butternut. I'm peeling the carrots, and if you're wondering, the bean is just here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna peel this. So guys, I have already chopped up everything here. So we are going to be blending this here. The tomatoes first. Okay, then we are gonna be cutting them into small pieces and putting them in here and blending them. The onions are already cooking, so that's why I'm doing it real quick. They're cooking. We are gonna wait for them to cook for a bit. So let's put a little bit of water so that they can blend quick. And then we are going to pour in our mixture. Okay. So guys, I'm going to be putting in a few spices now. The onions are already brown, so yeah, I have one Royco cube which I'm going to crush in there, and then I'm gonna put in black pepper, a teaspoon yes of black pepper. And then because I am a sucker for spices and I love this chicken spice. I know it's not chicken I'm making, but I literally put chicken spice in everything and I love this, so I'm gonna sprinkle some there. This is the garam masala, which I also love. Okay, you can put as many spices or as few as you wish, depending on how much you like your spices. So after the onions, I put in the spice and then I mix and let that cook for a bit. Smells so good. So after that has mixed, I'm gonna take my blended mixture. In here I had tomatoes, I had green pepper, I had garlic and ginger. So I'm gonna pour that in here. So we are going to let that simmer for a few minutes, maybe a minute or so, and then I'm gonna pour in the rest of the ingredients. First the carrots, and then we are going to be putting in the tomatoes. Oh, the potatoes. Oh my god. Okay, the potatoes, and the butternut in there, all of it. And then we are going to be pouring enough water in there. And then we are gonna mix all that up. Mix it. Mix it all up. And then we are going to let that cook for a few minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how big your flame is. The food is ready, and now it's time to blend. Okay, let's blend that now. So it's a bit thick. So I had boiled some water here, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I don't want it to be so thick. Okay, and then blend some more. So our food is ready, our soup. So I'm gonna be pouring it here. Okay, and we're gonna have a first taste. It's perfect. The ginger, I can taste the ginger. It's a bit hot. It's hot actually. It's so yummy. It's so yummy, you guys. I really enjoyed the soup. It's so yummy. It's a bit hot, so I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a bit. You can have the soup with rice, you can have it with chapati, you can have it with anything on the side, but the soup itself is really filling because it's a bit thick. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. Kindly subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And let me know, do you like the recipe? Should I do more recipes? What do you want to see me make? And I'm going to do exactly that. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much to everybody that has been subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, see you in my next video. Mwah.